Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. So today we are at the end of 14th day of my intraday challenge towards 1 lakh rupees, and here I am sitting at a profit of 7,815 rupees. Coming to the trades, what I have done today, I have shorted Reliance and I have shorted February series of 9,000 call and Nifty 8,900 call of February series. Just Dial also I have shorted, BPCL also I have shorted, Bosch also I have shorted, and Bajaj Finance I have bought. So let me explain what I have done in these trades so that you will understand the strategy behind it. So I will start with Just Dial. So coming to the Just Dial, I shorted this stock at around 928. Sorry, I shorted this stock at around 929 and I bought it back at 937. So let me show you what happened in these 8 minutes. For that, I am going to open the intraday chart of Just Dial. So this is the intraday chart of Just Dial. So if you observe, the stock has made a gap up opening and it made a strong up move in the first 5 minutes, and it touched the second resistance level. As I felt that the second resistance level will be very strong, the stock has started to consolidate at this point. If you look at the RSI, it is very high, 80. That means the stock is overbought and it is going to consolidate. So according to my expectation, the stock has started falling down, I mean consolidating. So I have shorted the stock at around 929 at this point and I bought it back at this point. So within 8 minutes I made a profit of 2.5 rupee, which is equal to 3,480 rupees, because each lot is 1500. So 2.5 rupee in the sense, so 3.5 thousand approximately. So this way I have done the first trade. And coming to the BPCL, so this is also same thing. I shorted this stock in the early hours. The stock is very much volatile and it started moving to and fro, so I did not want to end up in the losses. So immediately I bought the stock back in loss. So that's why I have incurred some loss in that stock. Otherwise I would have made profit in that trade also, if you look. So this is the intraday chart of BPCL for today. I shorted the stock at this point. The stock fallen down, but I still made a loss because I was in fear that the stock will move in the upward direction. I did not want to make that loss, so I sold the stock. I bought the stock immediately and I booked a loss of 1400 in that trade. Coming to the Bosch. So this stock I have shorted at this point nearer to the third resistance level at 22,290 rupees. I have shorted this stock because the RSI levels are very much high. They are around 85, 87. That means the stock is very much oversold and it has started consolidating. So based upon the pivot line, that means the resistance line and RSI value and the stock and the chart pattern, I felt that the stock is going to consolidate. So I have shorted this stock at this point and bought the stock back at this point. So within 15 minutes I made a profit of 2,200 rupees in this stock also. So this way I have done these trades. These are the major trades for today. So overall I made a profit of 7,815 rupees. After all brokerage reductions, I'll be getting around 6,800 rupees for today. So I'll be posting very clear videos on how to apply trading strategies while doing intraday trades. So I'll be posting more videos on how to day trade applying technical analysis. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.